Assalamu alaikum dear students, I welcome you class 12 unit aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. टॉपिक है chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. लास्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस की थी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एल्डिहाइड्स एंड द कीटोन्स. देन वी हैव द नेचर ऑफ द C double bond O, which is found in which is the functional group of the aldehydes and the ketones, that's called as the carbonyl functional group, and we have discussed the nature of the carbonyl group. Then we have the reactivity of aldehydes, and then we have the chemical reactions of the aldehydes and the ketones, which were broadly classified into the 7 types. That is वो 7 types हमने लिखी थी. That is we have the nucleophilic addition reactions. We have the nucleophilic addition reactions followed by the elimination of water molecule. We have the oxidation reactions. We have reduction reactions, halogenation reaction with alkalis, and miscellaneous reactions. Then we have discussed the reactivity of as the nature of the C double bond O. It suggests that it is polar in nature. C double bond O जो होता है that is polar in nature, where the carbon possesses delta positive charge and the oxygen that is delta negative because of the electronegativity difference. So the main center of the reaction, that's carbon, and it is positively charged, and hence it is mostly attacked by the negatively charged species or the neutral species which possess the lone pair of electrons. So it is always attacked by the nucleophile. So that we can say that the important reactions shown by the aldehydes and the ketones और the nucleophilic addition reaction. Addition इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पर double bond है, and this double bond it gets converted into the single bonds, 2 single bonds. Now we have some of the important chemical reactions of the aldehydes and the ketones. वो मैंने अभी आपको बोला, which were मतलब divided into the following 7 categories. So हम आज पहली कैटेगरी जो है chemical reactions of aldehydes and the ketones की, वही हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. That is number first है that is the nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Nucleophilic addition reactions. So we have the CH and C double bond O. In case of ketones, we have the Cr or C double bond O, and we say that they undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. So यहाँ पर nucleophile आता है and is negatively charged and it attacks the carbon जो यहाँ पर है double bond, the pi electrons they get displaced towards the oxygen. With the result, the nucleophile it forms bond with the carbon, and we have the negative charge on the oxygen. So we have the situation like this, that is RH and C, it is O negative and it is nucleophile, where the carbon it forms a bond with the nucleophile. So there is negative charge on the oxygen which abstracts this negatively charged oxygen. It abstracts the hydrogen either from the reagent or from the solvent, and results the formation of the addition product. It attracts this H positive ion from either from the solvent or from the reagent, and results the formation of the product, addition product. Suppose यहाँ पर ऐसा है, this is nucleophile. This is the general mechanism of the nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehyde. Similarly we have the ketones. Ketones का जो general mechanism है वो भी यही है, but instead of the hydrogen atom we have the alkyl or the aryl group. So इनका mechanism भी ऐसा ही है, that is R and C double bond O, and यहाँ से क्या आता है nucleophile, and इस nucleophile जो है it attacks the carbon and the pi electron is shifted towards the oxygen, where we have R and C, it is O negative and it is nucleophile, and this O negative, it will attract or it will abstract the hydrogen H positive ion either from the solvent or from the reagent, and result is the formation of the addition product. So this is the general mechanism of the nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and the ketones. Now we will discuss some of the important nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and the ketones. So we have some of the important nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and the ketones are as follows. Some of the important nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketones are as follows. नंबर फर्स्ट जो है रिएक्शन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स की, वो है सोडियम बाइसल्फाइड. सोडियम बाइसल्फाइड की फार्मूला है, इट इज बेसिकली द H2SO3 दैट इज सल्फ्यूरस एसिड. जब सल्फ्यूरस एसिड का एक हाइड्रोजन एटम जो हमने रिप्लेस किया है बाय sodium, it becomes NaHSO3. this is called sodium bisulfite. So this is sodium bisulfite. It will react with aldehydes and the ketones and results the formation of the addition product, because these are the reactions which we call as nucleophilic addition reactions. तो nucleophile आता है, add हो जाता है to the aldehyde and the ketone and results the formation of an addition product. So first reaction जो है, that is reaction with sodium bisulfite. When aldehydes and the ketones they react with sodium bisulfite, the sodium bisulfite addition product is formed. When sodium bisulfite reacts with aldehydes and ketones, sodium bisulfite addition product is formed. नीचे हम रिएक्शन लिखेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर लिखेंगे रिएक्शन जो है, दैट इज एल्डिहाइड्स C डबल बॉन्ड O, यहाँ पर क्या आता है NaHSO3. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है कि दिस Na it is positive and HSO3 it is negative. So this part it will act as a nucleophile. So we have this HSO3 negative, it will attack the carbon of the carbonyl group and form RH and C. It is O, and this O negative it will react with Na positive, and we have SO3H. तो यहाँ पर कुछ rearrangement हो जाता है. This hydrogen it will shift towards the, it gets attracted by the oxygen and sodium यहाँ आएगा. That is H and COH and SO3 Na salt. This is sodium bisulfite addition product is formed. इसी तरह से कीटोन्स भी रिएक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन instead of the hydrogen atom we have here R, and then we have the same pattern of the reaction followed by the ketones. So in case of ketones यहाँ पर आप हाइड्रोजन को replace करोगे by the alkyl group. So we have the ketone that is R and C double bond O. Then it reacts in this manner. So this was the first reaction of aldehydes and the ketones, where we have the first reaction that is with sodium bisulfite, where aldehydes and ketones react with sodium bisulfite and results the formation of an addition product which is called as the sodium bisulfite addition product. Number second reaction है reaction with hydrogen cyanide. Second reaction है aldehydes and ketones की, वो है reaction with hydrogen cyanide. Reaction with number second, that is reaction with hydrogen cyanide. हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड रिएक्ट करता है किन के साथ, एल्डिहाइड्स एंड कीटोन्स के साथ, एंड रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कंपाउंड व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज द cyanohydrin. So aldehydes and the ketones when treated with hydrogen cyanide, cyanohydrins are formed. When aldehydes and ketones are treated with hydrogen cyanide, cyanohydrins are formed. Suppose we have aldehyde R, H and C double bond O, it will react with HCN and form. इसमें हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड में जो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक पार्ट है वो है साइनाइड, साइनो पार्ट, एंड दिस साइनो पार्ट it will attack the carbon of the C double bond O, and pi electrons they get displaced towards the hydrogen and towards the oxygen for negatively charged species, which then abstract or which then react with H positive of hydrogen cyanide, results the formation of cyanohydrins. So यहाँ पर है R, C, it is H, and we have here O, and here we have cyanide group H. This is called as the cyanohydrin. Similarly, ketones also form the cyanohydrins with the ketone cyanohydrins. These are aldehyde cyanohydrins, while as ketones they form the ketone cyanohydrins with the hydrogen cyanide. This is the second important reaction shown by the aldehydes and the ketones with hydrogen cyanide. Number third है reaction with Grignard's reagent. Number third reaction is reaction with Grignard's reagent. Third है reaction with Grignard's reagent. We know that we have the aldehydes and the ketones. We have formaldehyde, we have aldehydes, and we have ketones. These three types of compounds, that we have the formaldehyde, ये भी aldehyde है लेकिन इसका हम अलग से लेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ instead of the R we have the hydrogen atom, and its reactivity is more reactive than that of the aldehydes. So these are the three types of the compounds, that's formaldehyde, aldehyde and the ketones. They will react with Grignard's reagent and form the addition compound, which then upon hydrolysis results the formation of the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Formaldehyde जो है they give us the primary alcohols, while as the aldehydes other than formaldehyde they give us secondary alcohols, while as the ketones they give us the tertiary alcohols. So we have the first यहाँ general हम लिखेंगे, then we go through the reactions. When Grignard's reagent is treated with formaldehyde, aldehydes other than formaldehyde and ketones, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are formed respectively. इसका मतलब ये है कि फॉर्मल्डिहाइड अगर रिएक्ट करता है ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट के साथ, वहां पर पहले एक एडिशन कंपाउंड बनता है विच अपॉन हाइड्रोलिसिस रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्राइमरी अल्कोहल्स. नाउ इफ वी हैव द एल्डिहाइड अदर देन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, इट विल रिएक्ट विद ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट. एडिशन कंपाउंड इज फॉर्मड विच अपॉन हाइड्रोलिसिस रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल्स. एंड कीटोन्स जो होते हैं वो रिएक्ट करते हैं ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट के साथ, तो एडिशन कंपाउंड बनाते हैं एंड देन upon hydrolysis results the formation of the tertiary alcohols. So we have the reactions. These three types of reactions are as follows. Number first, with this hydrogen formaldehyde, Grignard's reagent that's are MgX. दिस इज ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट. यहाँ पर जो है अल्काइल प्रोट, इट विल एक्ट एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड MgX कहाँ चला जाएगा, ऑक्सीजन के पास. सो यू हैव R HCO MgX and here you have H and here you have R. Now this compound upon hydrolysis H2O, यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, H and OH. This OH it will come out, it will react with MgX and come out as MgOHX and हाइड्रोजन जो है ऑक्सीजन के पास चला जाएगा. सो यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज R and you have C, 1H2H, CH2 and OH plus MgOHX. तो ये क्या है, प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. सो ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट ने जब रिएक्ट किया फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के साथ, तो एडिशन कंपाउंड बन गया. दिस एडिशन कंपाउंड अपॉन हाइड्रोलिसिस रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. सिमिलरली वी हैव द एल्डिहाइड्स अदर देन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. सेकंड वन वी हैव R C डबल बॉन्ड OH प्लस ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट RMgX. तो R यहाँ आएगा, MgX यहाँ चला जाएगा and form the addition product that is RC, it's OMgX and H and R. तो यहाँ पर हाइड्रोलिसिस हो जाएगी H2O and form the RC, it is OH, H and R plus MgOHX. अब ये क्या है, this is secondary alcohol because it is like this, or we can write it as RC, OH, H and R. This is our secondary alcohol. Now we have the ketones. They react with Grignard's reagent and form the tertiary alcohols like this. We have R C double bond O R plus RMgX. तो R यहाँ आएगा, Mg यहाँ. Same. But here we have, in case of formaldehyde, we have two hydrogen atoms here. In case of aldehydes, we have R and H here. And in case of ketones, we have R and R group. So R and hydrogen, two hydrogen atoms here, one alkyl hydrogen, they do not react. Only one, this functional group, it undergoes the reaction. We have R, C, it is OMgX, R and R. Which upon hydrolysis H2O result is the formation of RC, it is OH, R and R, which is tertiary 3-degree alcohol. This is the reaction shown by the aldehydes and the ketones with Grignard's reagent, while primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are formed. ये reaction हमने alcohols में भी discuss की थी. That is the preparation of the aldehydes and ketones from preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols from aldehydes and the ketones. And this is the repetition of that reaction where we have aldehydes and ketones, they react and form the alcohols. Now we have another reaction in this category, that's reaction with alcohols. Alcohols भी act करते हैं as a nucleophile because that they contain the alcohols that are OH. इनमें ऑक्सीजन पे क्या होता है, lone pair of electrons, so they will act as a nucleophile. अगर रिएक्ट कराएंगे नंबर फर्स्ट जो है रिएक्शन विद एल्डिहाइड्स, रिएक्शन विद aldehydes. Reaction with aldehydes, aldehydes जो होते हैं they will react with alcohols. First one molecule, single molecule of the alcohol and results the formation of the hemiacetal, and which then that hemiacetal reacts with another alcohol molecule and results the formation of the acetal. So we have aldehydes, aldehydes upon reaction, aldehydes upon reaction with two molecules of alcohols and form first hemiacetal and then acetal. So you have aldehyde, suppose R, H and C double bond O. These are aldehyde and it will react with alcohol ROH. इस पर lone pair of electrons है and this RO, lone pair of electrons, it will act as a nucleophile, attacks the carbon, and here you have the O negative. That O negative will react with this hydrogen and form RHC. It is O किसके साथ जाएगा, that is hydrogen के साथ, and then you have this is called hemiacetal. And this hemiacetal upon reaction with another alcohol molecule results the formation of the acetal. So you have ROH. This RO it again acts as a nucleophile, तो ये यहाँ से आएगा अटैक करेगा किसको, कार्बन को, and this OH it is removed, it will react with H positive and results the formation of the water. So OH जो है हाइड्रोजन H positive के साथ बाहर निकलेगा as water. We have R, H and C. You have in place of OH we have OR and OR. This is called acetal. So इस reaction में हमने क्या देखा कि aldehydes जो होते हैं they will react with two primary alcohol molecules and results the formation of the first hemiacetal and then acetal. Now you have ketones. Ketones जो होते हैं they do not react with primary alcohols. वो primary alcohols के साथ react नहीं करते हैं बल्कि वो secondary alcohols के साथ react करते हैं and results the formation of the cyclic ketones. So number 2, this is the difference between the reaction between the aldehydes and the ketones with their reaction with alcohols. Of the reaction with alcohols. Reaction with B. Reaction of aldehydes. Reaction of ketones with. Reaction of ketones with alcohols. Reaction of ketones with alcohols. So ketones react only with not secondary, sorry, not secondary alcohols, but the dihydric alcohols which contain the two OH groups. Ketones react only with dihydric alcohols. वहां पर एल्डिहाइड्स में आप याद रखो कि प्राइमरी और दैट इज द मोनोहाइड्रिक alcohols which contain only one OH group. Whether that is a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol, and results first the hemiacetal and then acetal, while as ketones जो होते हैं they react only with dihydric alcohols and form the cyclic ketones. React with dihydric alcohols and form cyclic ketones. So you have the reaction that is R and C double bond O. Reacts with dihydric alcohol such as ethylene glycol HRD, which is also called as ethane 1,2-diol. And यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, this O it will come out with this and results the formation of R and it is C O CH2 and it is O and this is called cyclic ketone plus water. These are some of the important reactions of aldehydes and the ketones with nucleophiles, which then the category of the reaction is called as the nucleophilic addition reactions. So in the nucleophilic addition reactions of the aldehydes and the ketones, we have the following four types of reaction, important four types of reactions. Number first was that's reaction with sodium bisulfite, while addition sodium bisulfite addition product is formed. Number second, that was reaction with sodium hydrogen cyanide, where cyanohydrins are formed. And the number third was that's reaction with Grignard's reagent, where formaldehyde give us primary alcohols, aldehydes other than formaldehyde they will give us the secondary alcohols, and the कीटोन्स जो होते हैं वो रिएक्ट करते हैं ग्रिग्नार्ड्स reagent के साथ and results the formation of the tertiary alcohols. And then we have the last reaction of the aldehydes and the ketones with alcohols. लेकिन aldehydes जो होते हैं they will react with monohydric alcohols, whether that monohydric alcohol it may be primary, secondary or tertiary, and results the formation of the first hemiacetal and then react with the second molecule and results the formation of acetal. So general हम कहेंगे aldehydes जो होते हैं they will react with alcohols, monohydric alcohols and form the acetals, while as ketones जो होते हैं they will react with alcohols but not with monohydric alcohols, they react only with dihydric alcohols and results the formation of the cyclic ketones. Inshallah in the next video lecture we will go through the second type of the reactions shown by the aldehydes and the ketones. Thank you so much.